rock girl. Like it's a rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. I see 100 girls every day, and yeah, they move me a million ways.
Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and it is time for another 30-second card in, Ken just teased me and said 7 minutes. I'm going to do it in less than 7 minutes because I am ready. Mentally, I am prepared. We've been warming up all day because we've been taping videos all day long. I am ready for this challenge. Now, if you've never seen one of our 30-second card in 5 minutes videos, I highly recommend you go see the very first one, taped now approximately 10 years ago. I'll look a lot younger, by the way, and probably even skinnier, but I want you to go watch it because it's fun and it's entertaining. And you know what? If you can't laugh at yourself, what's the point of living, right? It's all about having fun. And we definitely have fun around here, don't we, baby? Kenny? Yeah, he's like, okay. So, Ken, are you ready? Now, I have some products. What am I using? I don't even know. I grabbed some colors. It's my dad's birthday coming up. He's going to be 80. And so I'm thinking I need to have a card ready for him. So I'm going to do a dad card. And I'm going to do a birthday card. So here I grabbed some boy colors. And apparently I grabbed some scratch paper on that one. And I do have some powdered sugar just in case that has a die taped to it, which is entertaining. And then I grabbed this die set because this is brand new this month. And so I thought I would use this one. And then I also grabbed the lighthouse because the lighthouse is perfect for men. And also I think of my dad as a lighthouse because my dad is a really special person in my life. And I'll have to make sure he watches this video after his birthday. But he's very special in that, like, for example, this is a good example about my dad. So we park our car at his house because he takes care of our dog. And my mom and dad take care of our dog when we travel. And we park our car at their house and then we Uber to LAX usually because we go out of the LA airport. And they live in Seal Beach, but we Uber there and then we Uber to their house and then we get the dog and then we drive home. Well, last night we said, hey, I asked my parents earlier in the day, I said, hey, we're coming home really late. I think we got to their house a little after 1 in the morning. And I said, can you keep the dog until the next day because we're taping videos the next day at the office and I don't want blah, 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 blah. And my dad said, of course, no problem. So they brought the dog down to the office today. Well, last night we get in, what was it, like 1:15 in the morning, Kenny? It was like 1:15 in the morning. And so my dad had our keys in his mailbox. So we just grabbed the keys and, being as quiet as we can because we don't want to wake up the dog and we don't want her to get excited to hear us. And we're getting in the car and we're being as quiet as we can. And my dad starts flashing the lights, the front porch lights to let us know that he knows that we're getting the car. And so we stopped and we waved to him. And honest to goodness, this is the truth. And Kenny, I don't know, did you see him when he did this? He was in his underwear. At the front door. The front door is wide open and he's waving to us at 1:15 in the morning in his underwear. Bless his heart. I love him. He's awesome. He's such a good dad. So they brought the dog down today. Everything's fine. And he's one of those guys. Now, what's funny about flashing the lights, rewind our lives, what, about 32 years, Kenny? 33 years? When I was 16 and Kenny and I were dating and my curfew, when it was time for my curfew and Ken and I were out talking in his car, yes, we were only talking in his car. When we were in his car talking, he would flash the lights at midnight. So I knew it was definitely time to come in. Remember that, Kenny? So just my dad. I love my dad. So we need to make a special birthday card for my dad. And that's what we're going to do today in a 30-second card video. Oh, family, you just, my dad's awesome. And I always say, when I talk about my favorite color pink is guava, and I named it guava because that's the street my parents live on. And I always tell people you can go to my parents' house and knock on the door, and there's only like 5 houses on their street, so just try every house, and knock on the door. And if my dad answers, he'll invite you in. If my mom answers, she'll call the police. Just saying. It's kind of a funny joke, but it's probably true. Okay. I cracked myself up. Okay, I'm ready. Kenny, are you ready? Do you even have the timer handy? He's off in La La Land over there. He knew I was going to start talking, so he just walked away. Okay, we're ready. I'm ready. I'm going like this, but I don't crack my knuckles, so that's kind of stupid. Silly. Okay, on your marks, get set, Start the time. Okay, so first what we're gonna do is we have to cut 2 of these layering dies. So let's grab, of the card base. So let's grab this one. Dun, dun, dun. Oh gosh, we gotta go fast. Come on, faster than this. So we're gonna run this through. Something's sticking to my foot. Okay, 1. We need 2 of these, so we gotta go fast. So we got to 1 of those. Then we're gonna grab another one. Now I'm doing white as my base mainly because I need 2 card stocks for this, and I only had white as the base. So okay, 2. And then what we need is the layering die. Where's the layering die? So here's the layering die, and I really want pattern paper. Oh crud! I should have thought about pattern paper. Ooh. Okay, here. Ooh, those are kind of like girly. Oh, we don't want a girly one. Oh crud. Oh look. Okay, so let's find one. Oh, there's a blue. Ooh, that's a pretty blue. Maybe we should use that blue. Let's see. This one we have to do. Oh, this is perfect. Hang on. Where is it? Wait for it. There it is. I want this one. Because it looks like water. I love this one. Oh, Kenny, I just dropped it. You got to pick it up because I can't get it. I just dropped the thing. Okay, now watch this. I have to cut 2 of these. So I'm going to, hurry. Are you coming? It's right there. It's that white one. See that white piece? It's just a die cut. Okay, so I'm going to thank you, baby. So I'm going to lay that down. And we're gonna run that through. One of these days I'll get him on camera. Every once in a while he'll sneak on. Okay, so now look, we have the little layering pieces. So he got this one. Let's fold this. So we're gonna fold that one. And we're gonna fold this one. And we need some adhesive. Oh, how come I never have what I need? Oh, I don't like this adhesive very much. I don't like that one either. Okay, here's one. Okay, so we're gonna add adhesive to the back of this one. We're going back to back on these. Dun, 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 fold it. Whoops. Fold right there. A2 size card. And then we're going to add these layering pieces. So now, of course, my dad is the type of dad that's going to love any card I make for him. So I'm kind of like, safe on that aspect. But, you always want it to look nice, right? So let's put that up a little. And then I'm going to, and I have the paper here, but I have one, look, see what I do is I keep these in the Totally Tiff bags. If you don't keep them in this Stamps of Life ones, you can keep them in these Totally Tiffany little file things. And I keep the pieces with the things, so I have them already ready to go. So we're gonna lay that down. Look at this. It's almost like it's cheating, but it's not. And I'm gonna put my head over it so I can see, and we're gonna run this through. Look at this. Oh, crud, it just moved. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to yell. Sorry. I just woke up half the world because I just yelled. A lot of you say you watch these while you're going to sleep, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I hope I'm not making you fall asleep. But I hope the spouses I didn't wake them up just now. Okay, so now, it's funny when I hear that husbands know my voice. That's what's funny. Okay, so now check this out. Look at this. I'm halfway done just because I have this. Okay, so now I'm gonna add adhesive to this. And I'm going to let it overlap a little, which is fun. So it's going to overlap ever so slightly. And then I need like a happy birthday. Ooh, where's the circle? Where's the circle? Where's the circle that goes with this? See, this is why you have to be organized. I lost my circle. I lost my circle. Rod! Pooey! I can't use this one. This is like awful. This is like a tragedy. How could this happen in a 30-second card video? Darn it! Oh, I was so prepared to do awesome on this one. Okay, so we're gonna change that up a little. Let's see. Let's do, oh gosh, now it's throwing me off. Okay, let's get the stamps and we're gonna do happy birthday. Where's the happy birthday? Now the happy birthday is too long. Look at that. Do you see how long it is? And that's not good. Watch, I want you to see. So when I put this down, look, it's too long to fit there. So look at this. I'm gonna get out my ribbon scissors and don't freak out, but look at that. I just cut my stamp in half. Oh, okay, because I want it to be 2 layers and it's gonna say, whoops, happy, whoops, turn it this way. Oh gosh, birthday. And we're gonna line that up and we're gonna lay that on the back. There we go. And I need an ink pad. We're gonna do black and, oh crud. I'm so bummed. Okay, now I need scratch paper because always stamp and scratch first. Ink, 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 stamp here. Happy birthday right there. Okay, and then I got a little icky there. Oh, my life. Okay, so now, oh, I got that icky. Do you see that icky? That's awful. That's awful. So now what we need is we need something fun. And now we're just like a mess. Now we're just like, stop the clock. Let's just move on. But we're not going to. We're gonna do something. We'll figure something out. We will figure something out. Pooh, this is killing me. Ah, I was really prepared. Ah, I'm gonna be complaining the rest of the day. Let's see. Kenny, don't even come talk to me right now because I'm really busy. I want to get some white clouds. So let's add some white clouds. I'm so disappointed in myself. What am I going to do? He's like, I thought you were done. Okay, hang on. I'm going to add some white clouds. Come on. Okay, so let's add some white clouds. And you always have to have 3 because everything has to go in layers of 3. So let's get another white one, little one. And let's grab that. Let's do this. Gosh, I'm so mad at myself right now. What could go right there? I'm going to have to, I know what I'll do. Hang on, watch this. So I'm going to add some adhesive to this one, add a little cloud there, add a little cloud here, add a little cloud here. Okay. And then we are going to get some ribbon. I need ribbon. Ooh, blue. Oh, that blue's perfect. Perfect. So, and if you want to know, that is the Shelly bag because I will get emails if I don't say it. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to tie this. Kenny, you better start getting ready because I'm almost done.
You have to stamp the back.
Oh, he said I have to stamp the back. Okay, do you have a stamp? Okay, get me a stamp. Throw it to me. Don't throw. Oh, he really threw it at me. It didn't hit the. Oh my gosh, you're such a goober. You just get on camera for once. They think you don't exist. Oh, he says he sees people at the show, so you have to come to the show if you want to see him. You're putting a tea. I don't want a teapot one. That's my mom. I'm not a teapot person. Is that the best you could do for me? Really? Okay, this is still not making me happy. Okay, hang on. I can't handle this. Kenny, okay, so he got me a created by stamp because my dad needs to know I made it myself. Although, of course, he would know I made it myself because he kind of knows what I do for a living. But we'll stamp that anyway, scratch. Now, if you don't have a personalized stamp, you need to get one. We sell them on our stamp site, on our website. And you can have it say whatever you want as long as it's not a bad word. And I need one more. Hang on, I'm not completely done because I have to fix that. It's freaking me out. It's like really freaking me out. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna freak out. Okay, what about stars? Oh gosh, that looks lame. That looks lame. Come on, you guys, help me out. Throw out some ideas to me. Ooh, what about this one? No, get well. No, call me. No, I love you. Oh, the green. I love you. No, okay. Hang on. Come on. This sucks, Ken. I mean, I'm sorry. There's little kids that are watching. This is not good. Okay. Because this is for my dad, we're just going to do this. And he will love me anyway. So I'm going to do, watch this. So always 3s, right? Whoops, that's not even sticky. Oh my gosh. The hot lights in here kill the stickiness. 1, get ready, Kenny. 2, get ready, Kenny. 1 more. 3, something. Oh my gosh, I'm so mad at myself. What is it? I can't see. Okay, hang on, let me show it. Okay, so remember that icky? And now I'm gonna pull this down because there's no reason for it to be right there. Okay, so remember that icky? I covered it with a 3-pack of rhinestones. So there is my happy birthday. And then I'm going to write my message to my dad. He's also called Papa at our house because he's a papa to my kids. Okay, what's the time? I don't even want to. Oh, but I stamped the back. Hello, and I'm going to sign it. Created by me. Hang on. Got to sign the back. Okay. What is it? No way, you liar. No, I thought that was a 6. I did. I honestly did when I saw it on the floor. I thought it was a 6. My dad doesn't care. My dad will still love me. What was it again? I forgot already. No, the other one was 1 second off. He has 2 timers, and so I go, what was it again? And he shows me the one that was longer. No, it was 8 minutes and 29 seconds. But you know what? If I would have been more prepared and I wouldn't have had that icky, I think it would have been like 3 minutes. I'm just saying, not really. But isn't it cute? My dad's gonna love it. Happy birthday. Perfect for a guy. Open it up. Now I had that icky on there, and look, I just covered it up with 3 little dots. No one except you and me will know why I have those little dots on there. Just saying. Thank you so much for joining me for another episode of a 30-second card in 8 minutes and 29 seconds, or 8 minutes and 30 seconds, depending on which timer you look at. I will see you again soon. Bye-bye.
So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you want to know? You just try looking through open eyes, because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunglasses out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, 'cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me, babe. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. My indie rock girl, come on, indie rock girl. My indie rock girl, come on, indie rock girl. I see 100 girls every day, and yeah, they move me a million ways. But what's the point if we never know? I'm left with nothing, come on, I'm left with nothing. It doesn't matter if you ain't got money, 'cause you look good. And there will never be connection without repeated actions. But wish we could have it like that, 'cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you want to know? You just try looking through open eyes, because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunglasses out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, 'cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me, babe. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. My indie rock girl, come on, indie rock girl. My indie rock girl, come on, indie rock girl. I see 100 girls every day, and yeah, they move me a million ways. But what's the point if we never know? I'm left with nothing, come on, I'm left with nothing. It doesn't matter if you ain't got money, 'cause you look good. And there will never be connection without repeated actions. But wish we could have it like that, 'cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you want to know? You just try looking through open eyes, because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunglasses out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want some